Tell me your tale of woe.
This is becoming a regular thing now, isn't it? Poor old saw. It was in mid-use is what actually it was. I just finished doing a cut. I let the saw up, I took the piece of timber away, and it just went bang.
Did it? Oh, it hit the spinning blade.
I don't know. Well, this did because there's the bottom gone. That's smashed. Wheels are gone. It's all gone to pieces. This little bush thing here, this nice plastic piece, it just totally disintegrated and smashed off. Luckily, we keep a nice tidy site here. So, so this spring that came flying out, we got that. So we're all right. So I've had to order some new parts, but it could be 3 weeks before they're here because they've got to get them from the manufacturer. It could have been dangerous. Yeah, it's not the first time I've seen that either, funnily enough. I saw somebody happened to, same thing, but it smashed the guard to bits, so bits of polycarbonate went flying everywhere. I guess that, let's be honest, we don't tend to wear safety goggles when we're cutting on those saws because they've got a good guard on them. And I mean, we got away very lightly, really. Could have been a lot worse. But and you reckon the spring flew over the other side of the room, so if somebody had been over the other side of the room, it could have been spring again. I mean, that going at speed as well. Cut two nice little points on there, that could do some damage. So what have you done? You say you got the parts? I managed to, I went online and managed to find a place that does all the spare parts. They did an exploded drawing, so I managed to find the numbers of all the parts and I've ordered them all up. So I've got a new guard, a new bush, the new wheels and the clips to hold them in. Oh, you got the guard coming as well? Got a new guard, because that's all smashed to pieces now. When it's fixed, although it covers most of it, I know. It's still, that section's missing, so when it comes open there still will be a small amount of blade exposed. And although we keep our hands well out of the way, you know, it could just takes that one time of not concentrating or Friday afternoon wanting to get home. I was going to say down the pub, but we're not allowed down the pub. You don't go down the pub anyway. Not anymore. No, but you didn't much anyway, did you? No, you weren't a man for... I wasn't really. I did too quite a few years ago when I used to play in bands and stuff, and when I didn't have kids and marriage and all the rest of it, but you know, family man now. You don't drink a lot of alcohol anymore, you don't drink a lot of tea either, do you? Not according to Dan anyway. What keeps you going? I quite like a bit of red wine. Oh, do you? Yeah. Right, remember that, people. Yeah. If you want to show your appreciation... Châteauneuf-du-Pape. Is that what you want? Expensive taste. Just show my expensive taste. No, I'll drink anything, me. I don't like Châteauneuf-du-Pape. No? Because we stayed there once. We stayed in that area. We were staying in a place in the vineyard. After staying there for 3 days, I managed to reverse the camper bus into a tree. Smashed the whole of the back of the camper bus, and both bikes ended up going through the back of the camper bus as well. So I wrote off 2 bikes and the back end of the camper bus, which was not cheap. It kind of left a bit of a taste in my mouth. Had you been drinking Châteauneuf-du-Pape when you reversed the camper bus? The night before I had, I've got to say, So maybe it was a little bit lingering in there. I wasn't as sharp as I might have been. But I must say, though, Châteauneuf-du-Pape, it is a nice drink. But it is lovely. But of late, I've been favouring or sampling some more South African reds. And it's just because at the end of our road they've opened up a South African wine bar, garden centre. Oh, really? They've got plants and a whole wine selection and a bit of food in there. Because I've been trying to... They've got all the South African billabong and all that stuff. Biltong. That's the Biltong, stuff. Mate. Yeah, billabong is the Australian. That's it, but we've been working our way through their selection. All right. And it's nice. I like it. Yeah. Reasonable price? Reasonably priced? It is. I was surprised. Is that like fast screws? Reasonably priced? Very reasonably priced. And driving well. And you can drive a Forge Fast in whilst you're drinking a South African wine. I don't recommend it, but you could. Right, that's brilliant. Thank you.